Here are 10 Amazon household products you didn't know you needed. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in that comments section. You can also scan the QR code on screen now if you're watching from your TV or your iPad. Nothing in this video is sponsored, and I paid for all of these products with my own money. Let's do it. Keep your paper plates neat and organized with this stylish bamboo paper plate dispenser. It's designed for under cabinet organization, which is perfect for holding many paper plates. Enjoy quick and easy access as you simply take and dispense one plate at a time, and the holder is easily detachable for refilling. This is fantastic for RVs, boats, in your home and other household spaces. It's so easy to mount underneath your cabinet. It includes adhesive tape for a no-drill installation, which I love, saving valuable counter space. Heck to the yes. Live an organized life with this practical and elegant bamboo paper plate dispenser. And oh my word, I just checked on Amazon right now. This is on sale for a limited time, 35% off, plus there is an additional $5 off coupon. I am loving the additional counter space in my pantry and kitchen. This has to be one of the coolest kitchen gadgets I have ever seen. This is also great for camping. The Cherry Pitter. Save time and enjoy your cherries hassle-free with the #1 best-selling Cherry Pitter. Designed for quick pit removal in just 1 second. Literally 1 second. This handheld tool features a convenient rebound design, ensuring you can pit cherries without bruising or fatigue. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and locks tightly for storage, keeping your kitchen nice and tidy. Oh yeah. And get this is backed by a 720-day money-back guarantee with a lifespan of 5 years and a 2-year warranty. Where has this product been my entire life? This cherry pitter allows you to enjoy effortless cherry pitting for seasons to come. And no more stained fingers, and super easy for your kids to use too. On Amazon, this product is just about $10, worth every penny in my opinion. And as a bonus, it comes in multiple gorgeous colors such as blue, green, pink, and red. This makes for an amazing gift idea as well. I would have loved this years ago. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality with this elegant laptop tote bag. This tote is ideal for keeping your professional look nice and sharp, and everything is super organized inside. It features a padded laptop compartment, ample room for essentials, and multiple pockets for organization. Enjoy convenience with this built-in key ring, metal bottom nails for durability, and adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying. It even includes a clutch bag, which is perfect for storing small items and makes a thoughtful gift for any of your loved ones. Back to school is just around the corner, so this would be perfect. This is perfect for work, travel, and everyday use. And right now at Amazon, this laptop bag is such an affordable price. I can't even believe it considering the quality, just about $35. And it comes in gorgeous colors such as beige, black and brown, black and green, black and white, brown and leather. The possibilities are endless. And you can even choose your size from a 15.6 inch to a 17 inch, depending upon your laptop and bag needs. This might be my favorite product in this video. I don't know, it's hard. But introducing the Couch Caddy. Say goodbye to drink spills with this innovative couch cup pillow designed to keep your living spaces tidy and organized. Perfect for daily use on couches, beds, cars, RVs, picnics, camping trips, beaches, and so much more. This cup holder is a must-have for any setting. It's ideal for avid movie enthusiasts who lack side tables, and it allows you to enjoy snacks and drinks anywhere without being confined to the sofa or bed. With 5 different sized holes, it caters to various needs, accommodating mugs, cups, remotes, phones, glasses, wipes, game controllers, and more. And also it's suitable for parents of newborns. This versatile holder ensures everything is within reach. Oh my word. And right now on Amazon, this is 11% off, so just about $24. We have gotten so much use out of this because you know I love my popcorn, snacking, and movies. And it comes a variety of different colors. We have black, dark gray, gray, and navy blue. Introducing the Towel Grabber. The Towel Grabber set includes 6 durable towel bands and a convenient storage bag. This is a must-have for vacation and beach days. These towel bands securely hold your towel to your chair, even in windy conditions, providing a modern alternative to traditional beach towel clips. You know, those big clunky things that you have to store in your bag? This is wonderful. These are made from 100% sun-resistant silicone, so they're not going to snap in the sun, and they're built to last. These versatile bands fit up to most chairs, making them ideal for use at the beach, pool, or even on a cruise. Lightweight and easy to pack, they are perfect for travel. Right now on Amazon, these are about 7% off, so just about $12 for this 6-pack. Yes. Elevate your summer relaxation with these versatile lounger covers, available in a vibrant assortment of tie-dye colors including yellow, purple, blue, and sky blue. These covers fit most loungers and pool chairs perfectly and feature convenient side pockets for added storage. No more losing your cell phone. The design includes elastic bands on all 4 corners to ensure a secure fit, so you can move freely without worrying about the cover slipping off. Made from soft and durable microfiber. And they are quick drying and easy to maintain while they resist fading and any sort of deformation. Perfect for beach outings, vacations, or just lounging at home. These eye-catching covers bring both style and functionality to any setting. So 4 of these is just about $10 on Amazon. Such a steal of the deal considering all the versatility that you get with these beach towels. Not just a beach towel, but a holder and stays in place. I'm loving it. I have the perfect home hack for you. I have been on the market for the best suction cups, so I bought a plethora of suction cups that don't actually suction until you meet these. Upgrade your home organization with the stylish and functional shower suction hooks, now available in a set of 4. They are perfect for your bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, or even the office. The hooks are waterproof, rust-proof, and can hold up to 15 pounds. Installation is a breeze. Just press the hook onto a smooth surface and twist the knob to secure it. These are perfect for towels, loofahs, hanging your clothes, camping, and so much more. They come in a variety of beautiful colors such as brushed gold, matte black, nickel, silver, and brushed gray. If you're a mom or a caregiver, you know that making lunches can be a bit of a mundane task, but let's spice it up and make it fun for kids too, making them want to eat all the healthy things. Transform fruits and vegetables into fun shapes with this super cute Bento Box toolkit, making healthy eating enjoyable even for those picky eaters. The sandwich cutter and decruster tools create fun, healthy lunches that your kids will love to eat and show off at school. My kids love the heart-shaped ones, and they also really enjoy the butterfly shape. You are going to be the coolest mom or caregiver at school with these easy-to-use tools. Everything stays in place, your kids are excited to eat, and it's a little more fun creating lunches every day. This Bento lunchbox set is currently just about $24 in Amazon, and it comes with so many amazing tools. I love the little notes that you can also put inside of their lunch boxes. It's just a little pop of inspiration, motivation during the day for your kids. How about the Bento lunchbox? It's the #1 lunchbox brand, thoughtfully designed and rigorously tested among parents across America. It's ideal for children ages 3 to 9. However, I have a 10-year-old and she still uses it. It features 5 compartments perfectly portioned for a total capacity of 2.4 cups. The leak-proof technology ensures meals stay fresh and mess-free with the easy-to-open, kid-friendly latches. Plus, the removable tray is microwavable and dishwasher safe. And here's what's awesome. It's available in 29 different designs, ensuring you'll find one that's perfect for your child. Right now on Amazon, there's a $5 off coupon. So whenever you see that little green checkbox on Amazon, make sure that you click it so that you can save the most amount of money. We've had our Bento boxes for 3 years and they have still held up, using them every single day, literally every single day. This is definitely a must-have when it comes to lunch making. Okay, here's another one that is really fun that I love just as much. This avocado-shaped lunch box. The secure lid is frustration-free and easy for little hands to use. It has compartments that are perfect for sandwiches, fruits, roll-ups, and smaller portions for trail mix and sweets. It's ideal for any meal. Its space-saving design easily fits into a backpack, making it great for road trips, camping, picnics, beach, and so much more. We have also had the same lunchbox for over 2 years and it has held up so nicely. Definitely worth the money. It says it's ideal for ages 3 to 7, but again, my 10-year-old also uses this. This is a perfect back-to-school kitchen gadget or anytime. This omelet maker is your go-to kitchen appliance for creating 2 fluffy omelets in just minutes. Now, it's not just for omelets. You can also make frittatas, pizza pockets, apple turnovers, and so much more. It has a non-stick coated cooking surface, making cleaning a breeze. Just insert your ingredients, close the lid, and go. The preheated ready-to-cook indicator light ensures you cook at the optimal temperature every single time. And its compact design saves on counter space. It even adds a stylish stylish touch to your kitchen decor. It comes in 7 vibrant colors with options for a 2 or 4 section cooktop. On Amazon, this is just about $19. I love the metallic red. The mint is super cool, kind of vintage. It also comes in a teal, a white, and a yellow, which is super fun. Over 18,000 ratings on this omelet and frittata maker. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, especially Instagram stories, because I share daily limited time deals on some of the best items. Also sign up for the free newsletter linked in that description box below, and click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.